Hi students, welcome to Micro Sugar Maths YouTube channel. Today our topic is methods of integrations. Students, huge methods we have in integration. I will teach one by one methods. Our first method is simplification and direct use of formula. Students, there are some techniques for simplification. Let us see one by one technique. Students, our first technique is rationalization. Rationalization. When our integration is in the form of integral of 1 by square root of x plus 4 minus square root of x plus 1 into dx, then we have to apply the rationalization. Do the rationalization on multiplying, dividing with the factor square root of x plus 4 plus square root of x plus 1. Now denominator is x plus 4 square root of x plus 4 plus square root of x plus 1 into dx. Now it is simply integrable. Let us see, students. Now in the denominator you have a minus b into a plus b form. Therefore apply the a square minus b square. Therefore due to a square, here square root cancel. What is your a? X plus 4 square root of x plus 4. Due to a square, here square cancel, only you have only x plus 4 minus b square. What is your b? X plus 1. It is a and it is b. Therefore b square, due to b square, square root cancel. You will get only x plus 1. Now students, what is your numerator? Square root of x plus 4 plus square root of x plus 1 into dx. Here x cancel. Now students, here 4 minus 1 means 3. Therefore, you will get 1 by 3. Write down 1 by 3 outside to integration. Now students, write down square root of x plus 4 as x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2. And also second term as x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 into dx. Now students, what is your general formula? Your general formula is integral of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Therefore, now this integrand is directly integrable by rationalization. Now, on applying this formula, you will get 1 by 3 into x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 plus 1. Here, what is your n? 1 by 2. Write down n as 1 by 2. You will get 1 by 2 plus 1 means 3 by 2. What is your denominator? Also equal to 3 by 2. Plus here also apply the same formula. You will get x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2. Denominator also 3 by 2. After integration, write down constant plus c. Now students, 3 by 2, move the 3 by 2 to numerator. You will get 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Take the 2 by 3 common. You will get 2 by 9. X plus 4 whole power 3 by 2 plus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. It is the first technique. What is the first technique? Rationalization. Our simplification is containing rationalization. Let us see with second example. Students, our second example, integral of 1 by 1 plus sin x into dx. When you have integral of 1 by sin x or 1 by 1 plus cos x, then immediately multiply and divide with opposite term means rationalization. Here 1 plus sin x you have, then multiply and dividing with 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin x into dx. Then in numerator, what is your numerator? 1 minus sin x. By denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Apply the a plus b into a minus b form. Then you will get a square means 1 square minus b square means sin square into dx. Now students, in denominator we have 1 minus sin square. What is your 1 minus sin square formula? Cos square x dx. Now students, here we have some simplification. It is 1 by cos square x minus next sin x by cos square x dx. Now students, write down what is 1 by cos square. It is secant square x minus students here sin by cos. Sin by 1 cos is tan x, and in the denominator we have 1 cos, therefore 1 by cos means secant x dx. Now students, it is directly integrable, therefore apply the integration. Secant square x, integral of secant square x dx minus integral of secant x tan x into dx. Now students, what is the integration of secant square x? Secant square x integration is tan x minus integral of secant x tan x is secant x. Therefore after integration write down plus c constant. Students, our next technique is addition or subtraction. To complete our given integration, we should adding or subtraction of a number or function be needed. Let us see students, integral of x by square root of x plus 1 into dx. To complete this integration, we should adding and subtraction of 1 is needed. Now students, now write down x plus 1 by denominator minus 1 by square root of x plus 1 into dx. Now students, write down x plus 1 as square root of x plus 1 whole square. Then you will get same x plus 1. Now what is your denominator? X plus 1 minus 1 by square root of x plus 1 into dx. Now students, cancel the square root of x plus 1 with square. You will get square root of x plus 1 minus denominator 1 by square root of x plus 1 into dx. Now students, finally write down square root of x plus 1 as x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 minus again write down 1 by square root of x plus 1 as x plus 1 whole power minus 1 by 2. Now students, apply the formula, general formula. What is your general formula? Integral of x power n into dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. That means students, here what is your n value? N value is 1 by 2. Therefore apply the formula, you will get x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 means you will get 3 by 2 by denominator is 3 by 2 minus here also x plus 1. Here what is your n value? Minus 1. Therefore I am writing minus 1 by 2 plus 1. You will get plus 1 by 2 by denominator plus 1 by 2. Write down plus c constant. Therefore finally 2 by 3 x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 minus 2 into x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus c is your answer. Now students, what is your technique? Addition or subtraction of a number or a function to complete our given integration. Students, our next technique is multiplication. To complete the integration, we should multiply the given factors. Let us see one example. Integral of x minus 1 into x minus 2, x minus 3 into dx. To complete this integration, we should multiply all these factors. Students, here x minus 1 into multiply last two factors, you will get x into x square, x into minus 3x, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus into minus plus 6 into dx. Therefore finally integral of x minus 1, you will get x square minus 3x minus 2x means minus 5x plus 6 into dx. Now students, multiply these two factors, you will get x into x cube, x into minus 5x square, next plus 6x, next minus 1 into these three terms means minus x square plus 5x minus 6 into dx. Now finally integral of x cube minus 5x square minus x square minus 6x square. Here 6x plus 5x means 11x minus constant 6 into dx students. Now do the integration. General formula. What is your general formula? Integral of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Apply the formula. What is your n value? N is the 3. Then you will get x power 3 plus 1 means 4 by 4 minus 6 into x square. What is your n value? 2. 2 plus 1 means 3 x power 3 by 3 plus 11 into x square by 2 minus 6 is a constant. Constant integration is 6x plus c is your technique. What is the technique? Multiplying given factors is the technique, students. Students, our next technique is expansion. What type of expansions we needed? Like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole cube, or binomial expansions we needed, students. Let us see one example. Integral of x plus 1 whole cube into dx. Students, what type of expansion we needed? Here we need a plus b whole cube expansion we needed, students. Therefore, a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. What is your a value? Here a is the x, b is the 1. Write down this expansion. You will get a means a cube means x cube, 1 cube means 1 plus next one 3 a square means x square, b means 1. You will get 3x square. Next one 3x into dx, students. Now it is directly integrable. Therefore, x cube integration x power 4 by 4. One integration means constant. Constant integration x 3 x square x cube by 3 plus 3 x square by 2 plus c is your integration. Students, our next technique is we have to use the trigonometric formulas in our given integration. Let us see one example. Integral of secant x plus tan x whole square into dx. Here first of all apply the expansion technique, means a plus b whole square. A square means secant square x, b square means tan square x. Next one plus 2ab into 2 into secant x tan x totally dx, students. Now students, secant square x, write down tan square x as apply the trigonometric identity. Tan square as secant square x minus 1 plus 2 into secant x tan x into dx, students. Now students, here finally secant square means 2 secant square x minus 1 plus 2 secant x tan x dx, students. Now students, here each term directly integrable, means 2 into secant square integration tan x minus 1 integration x plus 2 into secant x tan x integration secant x plus c, students. Therefore, students, these are the techniques behind our integration. Now students, what you have to do? Like, share and subscribe. For more subscribes will give more energy to Micro Sugar Maths YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.